Hi guys, I'm Liz.
And I'm Jorge.
And welcome to our channel. Hi guys, so it is Tuesday, January, what's the date? 9th. It's January 9th, Tuesday. It's a rainy day. And me and Amora and Daddy are going to go to Amora's doctor's appointment. It's just like a checkup to make sure she's gaining weight and everything. So let's go in and see how much she weighs. We're in the doctor, waiting for the doctor to come in.
Amora's hungry, my baby, my little princess. She's hungry.
She's drinking her milkies.
Yeah, she is.
And she weighed 7.8
pounds. 7 ounces and 8.2 ounces. 7 pounds and 8.2 ounces.
Yep. So she gained weight, which I figured because she's been drinking a lot of milkies.
Yeah, she has. My little princess.
Yeah, you've been drinking all the milkies. Hey guys, so I'm just waiting for Jorge to put the other car seat base in his car really quick because we're gonna go take the van and park it. We're gonna take the van and go park it at a parking garage because there's trees and shit like falling all over the place around here, and we can only fit his car in the garage. So that's what we're about to go do. And as you can see, this huge tree just fell down. We were actually on live. We heard a huge boom, and yeah, the tree fell down. Baby girl is grumpy as heck, so Daddy better hurry up. Oh. Yeah, it's beautiful. Look, guys, look at the sky. This is crazy. Look how beautiful this is. Wow.
Are you recording?
Yep, we're eating
Déjame, ella quiere hacerlo de esa manera,
We're eating grilled cheese.
And this is my new toy right here.
This is Sophie's new toys. Baba, eat your food.
Up one down in the Barbie house.
Eat your food, Baba.
Food. In the house.
Grilled cheese.
A las 11, pero what time is it now? So, we have received
Our silver play button.
a silver play button. Okay.
From YouTube.
From YouTube. So, we're gonna get excited here now, and in 3, 2. Hold on, wait a minute. We're gonna open it first, and we're gonna take the view first and get the first reaction, and then you guys are gonna get the second view. Yeah.
Open
All right,
it.
so let's do this. All right.
Open
in
it.
3, 2, 1. Open!
What?
What is it?
Open it.
Oh, what is this? What is this?
Magical Poltergeist, 100,000 subscribers.
Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Oh, guys, look how beautiful that looks, guys. Look at this.
100 million subscribers.
100,000 subscribers.
There we go.
Guys, I always dream of having this beautiful moment with my beautiful family right here, right? And having a play button.
Oh my God.
Right?
Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. And I do want to thank every single one of you guys, because without you guys, we was not able to achieve our silver play button.
Yep, thank you, everybody.
We do want to take the time to thank every single one of you guys for supporting us, being there for us, and actually allowing us to have this beautiful silver play button. We are honored to receive this play button. We are thankful, and we sincerely want to tell you guys we love you all, and thank you for being such a great fan. Thanks everybody, and we love you. Thank you for all your opportunities, for allowing us to have a beautiful play button and 100,000 subscribers. Oh boy, we are so excited and so happy. We do want to thank you all, and thank you for everything. We love you. You want to say something?
We love you guys, and thank you for watching, and keep watching, because we're going to be creating more every day.
Every day. Thank you, everybody, and we love you. And the little one says,
Thank you.
thank you, guys, and we love you. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Guys, we just
Huh?
Say hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom.
What?
Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
And then that's our play button over there.
We hung it up.
Yeah, we just earned our play button. And then I'll show you guys Amora. She's in here. There's Amora. Is she here? Oh. He's there. And that's the play
I'll
button.
definitely agree, yes.
They can't see the play button.
I definitely agree.
What about the cross? Where's the cross?
And then we could put pictures around that too.
Yeah.
And
There's still
show you Amora again. There's Amora, the baby. This is her. What's this? This is her crib right here. You guys want to see her again? Yeah, okay. Here's her. We still have to put it this right here.
So Jorge is over here putting our stuff up on the wall. We got this little light
The
on
Hall
the shelf.
of Fame is what we call it, the Hall of Fame.
Yep, we got our little play button. We got our marriage certificate and our pictures the day we got married. And we're gonna put pictures in these frames beside there. And then we're gonna put a couple other things down here too. So yeah. That's what we're doing. And then Mariah's over here watching her phone.
Mommy just tried
And then-
to hold her and she's sucking on my
Amora is trying to get milk out of Sophie's face.
Hi guys, so it's just me recording because my mom is next to me breastfeeding. Don't know what breastfeeding is. It's like, yeah. It's called breastfeeding, but
So guys, Jorge's almost done over there.
he wants
And
he keeps wanting to suck
we're just hanging out on the couch.
He keeps
Oh my
wanting
goodness. And this girl just is always hungry looking for food.
Her daddy.
Yep. Sophie.
He did it.
Hi guys, so I'm just sitting here in the bedroom and the baby's sleeping and Jorge went to the car wash. I told him I didn't want him to go because I didn't want to be here alone, but he insisted that he go because there's dirt all over his new car, so he had to go clean it, but whatever. So yeah, I'm just waiting for him to get back and I'm getting tired. I'm about to want to go to bed soon if he takes too much more time. What the fuck? Guys, I like hear something. I can like hear something out in the... What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Guys, there's something weird happening. There's something weird happening. What the fuck? Hold on, I'm about to call Jorge. Hi guys, so I'm just sitting here in the bedroom and the baby's sleeping and Jorge went to the car wash. I told him I didn't want to go because I didn't want to be here alone, but he insisted that he go because there's dirt all over his new car, so he had to go clean it, so whatever. So yeah, I'm just waiting for him to get back and I'm getting tired and I also want to go to bed soon because it takes too much more time. But there's something weird happening. There's something weird happening. What the fuck? Hold on, I'm about to call Jorge. What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? The crib just... Oh my god. Oh my god. Baby! Oh my god.